So now let's start it again. So good morning, and right now I am in lab Cosmos Hospital, and I'm just recording this because seriously I can't show my face, and so now let's talk about something actually right just right my friend is sitting, so that's why I am little much confused about what to say and what not to say, but let's start it. So let's talk about, so I watch today I watch videos on YouTube of Priyanka Chopra, and I watch her speech, a very motivational speech, and she talk about her failure, her life journey, and she's a very successful woman and she achieved so much in her life. I also want to be like her, and I actually the things I like in her is so many things I I like her way of talking, her voice is seriously amazing. The way of talking, her personality, and she is doing so many things. Like she's an actor, she's a producer. I think she's a model also, and now currently she's an Hollywood actor, and she's making so much amazing films in Hollywood, and she's really a very successful person. And so this is I watch, and the second thing I watch, what is the second thing is I watch videos on related to news. Palki Sharma, the woman I also likes too much, and she's also a very good anchor and very good speakers. Her way of talking, her speaking skills is seriously amazing. I can't describe in these things in words. And now let's talk about actually my mind is completely empty, and I don't have words in my mind what to say and what not to say, but I have to record just for my voice only for 10 minutes, so I can follow my target with consistency and doing everything. Actually, I am trying to thinking about, so what about me. Let's talk about what about me, what I did today and what not did. So in the morning I wake up around 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and I talk to my mother, I talk to my father, and I do some household chores. After that I'm ready for the hospital, and around 9 a.m. I came to hospital, and I see my all registers, the work, and I also do some I also make some OPD cards of the patient, and I also do so many things. I receive one register today, one new register given by Mr. Jitesh, complaint register related to the what is happening in the hospital, any complaint, patient feedback. If the patient, not too many feedback, just write only some, not not write too much, not by her, all the patient, write with some patient who is satisfied, then write their feedback and what are the complaints. And today they when I came to hospital, uh, my day is not good when I came to hospital, because so many people, people start what the word is I don't remember, but now people start saying so many things to me. I feel little nervous that time, but it's okay, because every day is new and not every day is same, not every moment is same, every moment is different. And every because my if our mind is upset for something, that thing is not permanent, nothing is permanent, everything is temporary. So don't be nervous. I This thought is continuously coming in my mind, don't be nervous, and let's whatever the things is pending, do these things with your full courage and with your full confidence. So now that on the thing the on the mistake I made, I work on these mistakes and start improving. So one thing I learn, all my mistake, whatever the mistake I do, I just learn from them and trying trying to not do these type of mistake again, because if I am doing these, if I am repeating these mistakes again and again, then this is not really very good. Because the thing is, if you really want to improve, then you have to improve you every day, every moment of your life you have to improve. I'm not going giving any motivational speech. This is just a simple talk of my, but of my thoughts, whatever is coming in my mind. So these are my simple thoughts. Now I recorded myself for the 5 minutes, because my target is 10 minutes every day. Every day I upload 10 minutes video on YouTube, and I feel today I am improving, because the first day when I record, I feel very nervous and I feel very confused. I don't know what to talk and what not to talk, but now I have so many things, and I feel the things start working, and day by day I am going to improve definitely. Now let's talk about something new. So something new is I finished my lunch, and today nothing more than